Wagwan family, in this video I'm going to share with you how I make this curry shrimp. So first I clean the shrimp them and wash them with fresh lime, season with green seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. To my skillet, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil, some pimento berries, some ginger, saute some onion. Now add some chopped garlic, saute them as well. Here I'm going to burn the curry. So I add 1 scotch bonnet pepper cut up, 1 piece of thyme, some sweet peppers, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of water. Now I'm going to add some seasoning, just a little bit of seasoning. Add the shrimp, and this shrimp going to cook for 3 minutes. Going to add some carrots, cover for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add some fresh scallions, stir up and take off, no longer than 3 minutes. Now I'm going to serve. Look at this, my people. Shrimp nice and colorful. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Peace out. See you in the next video.